Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Ally Invest easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with Ally Invest, visit the Ally Invest website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Select the type of account you wish to open. Options may include a brokerage account, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA. Fill out the required information to create your account. This will include your personal details, contact information, and financial background. Review and confirm your provided information. Once your account is set up, fund it through bank transfers, wire transfers, or checks. After funding, explore the Ally Invest platform. Navigate to the trading dashboard to familiarize yourself with available tools. Utilize the research resources available to make informed investment decisions. Begin by choosing your investment strategy. You can opt for self-directed trading or use robo-advisory services. If self-directing, select stocks, ETFs, or options that align with your goals. For those seeking guidance, consider setting up a robo-advisory account. This will automatically manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and preferences. Remember to regularly review your portfolio performance. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on market conditions. Utilize the educational resources and webinars provided by Ally Invest to enhance your knowledge. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors to optimize your savings. Consider automating contributions to your investment account. This strategy can help ensure consistent saving over time. Monitor your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. With patience and smart strategies, you can effectively save and grow your wealth with Ally Invest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.